Good morning, students. Nothing is impossible. This will be our topic today. You might have heard people saying, I can't do it, or I don't have the capacity to do it. Have you ever thought why people say, I can't, or it is not possible? Each and every human being has the capacity to do most kind of jobs, but his mind makes him believe that he cannot do it. That is called limiting beliefs. It is not that you cannot do a job. You can do each and every job, but your mind holds you back. Your mind tells you that you cannot do it. If you check in history, till 1953, you have heard about Mount Everest. It's 8,848 meters tall. So till 1953, there was a belief that nobody can climb or nobody can conquer Mount Everest. There were a lot of theories about that. Like if you go, the altitude is very high, you cannot breathe there, or your blood may clot, you will vomit blood. Like that, lot of theories were there. But in 1953, a young man, Edmund Hillary, conquered Mount Everest. You will not believe, after 1953, now it is 2020. In these 67 years, almost 3,200 people have climbed Mount Everest more than 5,000 times. Is it a miracle? No. In this 3,200 people, there were a 12-year-old kid, a 76-year-old man, and 2 or 3 blind peoples. How did they do it? Was there a miracle? Did someone help them? How did this happen? It happened because Edmund Hillary broke the belief that it was not possible to conquer Mount Everest. It was like a myth, and he broke the myth and he reached on top of the Mount Everest. So after that, people believed, yes, this can be done. Even before that also, people could have done it, but they did not have the belief, or their mind always restricted them that you cannot do because there are a lot of obstructions. So what I would like to tell is that there are a lot of subjects you are studying, like social, maths, English, Hindi, Sanskrit, lot of things you study. Maybe you will feel some of your topics are very hard, or it is not possible for you to learn it. If you think like that, you have to believe in yourself. You can do it. Don't make your mind think that it is not possible. Make your mind think it is possible, or make your mind think that nothing is impossible in this world. I hope you like this topic today. Try to implement it in your life. Thank you.